It's Robbie One's beat.
When I'm looking in the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda. Uganda be the lobuna, yeah. African, my black continent. Acholi be the kakana. Kakalo be the remona. Kakalo be the remona. Remote kwarona. Remo gangwa. Amiro chamo con calde tengo che moia ma che curo porne no che te atabagulu Amiro chamo con calde tengo che moia ma che curo porne no che te atabagulu It is a true sunshine, no other is African life. We are the true sunshine.
Hello viewers, welcome to Luo Folklore, and right now I would like to tell you about the Luo group. I've done my research, done my literature review, gone to libraries, journal books online, and also I've checked a lot of websites online and I've compiled for you, and I will talk about it. To get straight, the Luo people are several ethnically and linguistically related Nilotic ethnic groups that inhabit her area, ranging from Egypt and South Sudan to Ethiopia through northern Uganda and eastern Congo to the DRC, into western Kenya and the ℕ𝕪𝕠𝕒 region of Tanzania. The Luo and their language, the Luo, are also known as the Luo proper, even through their dialect, as more bound to learn words than the rest. The level of historical separation between these groups is estimated about 8 centuries. Dispersion from the Nilotic homeland in South Sudan was presumably triggered by the turmoil of the Muslim conquest of Sudan. The migration of individual groups over the last few centuries can to some extent be traced in respective groups' oral history, which we will talk about later. And also, I will also in another video talk into details about how Luo stayed side by side with the Israelites in Egypt. And another thing we also have to look at, the languages. Their languages belong to the western branch of the Nilotic family. So now, basically, who are the Luo people? By this question I mean the tribes. So who are the Luo tribes? The Luo tribes, let's start by southern Sudan, or the South Sudan. We have the Acholi, and there is Baganda or Baganda. There's the Dinka. They're also Luo. There is the 𝕉𝕉𝕒 tribe. I don't know. Maybe sometimes you pronounce it 𝕉𝕒𝕒. I had the OG school. We used to call her 𝕉𝕒𝕒. We studied together in the same class at the university. There is the Jor, spelled J-U-R. And also another tribe in South Sudan, which is also Luo, is the Lao. Some people call it Lembu. And this is why I will make another video about talk about why we consider the West and why some parts of the East does not consider the West. Then another Luo group or another Luo tribe in South Sudan is the Luo. After Luo we have Pari. After Pari in South Sudan we have Shilo and the Shark or the Tulu. Those are the Luo tribes in South Sudan. Now, in Uganda, Who do we have? In Uganda, we have the Acholi. That's where I belong. We have the Alur, the Chope, also called the 𝕵𝕠, and there is the 𝕵𝕠, and also we have the 𝕃𝕦𝕒 and also the 𝕕𝕒. So it means that the tribe of Acholi and 𝕕𝕒 are both in Uganda and also in Southern Sudan. In Kenya, the Luo tribes which exist are only two, which is the Acholi and 𝕍𝑙𝑢o. So for those who didn't know, the Acholi also exist in Kenya. We will talk about it in other videos. Then in Tanzania, we have 𝕍𝑙𝑢o, which means Luo are in Kenya and also in the 𝕵𝕠 region. That one is for another video. Then also in Ethiopia, the only Luo tribe that exists is called 𝕵𝕨. And in Democratic Republic, there is the Alur, which also exists in Uganda. So those are the Luo tribes which exist in the world. They are originally in South Africa, and those are their countries that we serve. Thank you very much for knowing the history of Luo. If you belong to Luo, you've known, and if you don't belong to Luo, it's also good for you to be interested. Thanks a lot. My name is Brian. Subscribe to this channel. Follow on Pinterest and Facebook. Visit luofolklore.website. And also, like the video, comment, and share. Thank you.
When I'm looking in the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda. Uganda, baby, lobuna, yeah. African, my black continent. Acholi, baby, kakana. Kakalo, baby, remona. Kakalo, baby, remona. Remote kwarona, remo gangwa. Amiro chamo con calde, tengo que moya, una que curo por neno que te atabagulu. Amiro chamo con calde, tengo que